Project Sandor, 1968 Dodge Charger, day one. Hey, but first, you know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks to all our followers and supporters. Here we go. 1968 Dodge Charger. We're going to be doing some panel R&R. Here's a shot of what we have to work with. We've already got it up on the frame fixture. Mounted and secure. We're ready to go. A little bit ugly there. Obviously, we're going to be replacing these quarter panels. And it's pretty evident why. We have a lot of rust issues and damage. And moving around to the back. Yeah, a lot of ugly. All right. Into the trunk. Yeah, the quarter panels are just done. But we're going to fix that. And we'll also be replacing the trunk extensions and trunk pan also. Left and right quarter panels, full quarters. Okay, that's a shot of day one of the Charger. Here we go. We're going to get this glass removed. We never want to leave glass installed when we remove body panels. And we're going to get the rear bumper out of the way. A nice straight original. And up next, deck lid removal. And relieving the torsion spring that holds the deck lid hinge up. And what I'm doing here is I'm removing the primer from the top of the factory lead filler. And I have another video on what I'm doing here, actually, if you look through the video page. I always like to save this and reuse it. And a couple little handheld propane torches with MAP gas do a really nice job, really quick job of getting that melted out of there. So we can clean this area up with the wire wheel. And that's the factory part line where the quarter panel will be installed. Now we're going to salvage this piece because we do quite a few Chargers, and you'll notice this was a vinyl top car. You can see the holes, and it also has the correct placement for the emblem. So we're just going to save this inside and outside piece as templates. Makes life a lot easier. Just drop it over a new quarter panel and you can locate the holes exactly the first time. No guesswork. Alright, there's our little saved piece. And what we're going to do is split this in two. And we always want to mark it exactly what the part and piece is. And there it is. Now we have a perfect template to go over a new quarter panel. No guesswork. Nothing like drilling a hole in the wrong place. Okay, moving on. Now we're going to get these quarter panels removed from the car. Now this is called a rough cut. And what that means is we don't want to go close to the edges. We just want to get the majority of the quarter panel off. And that'll give us access to the backside and access to things that we may not be able to see very easily. Just makes life a lot easier. And then we come back and remove the remnants. And the last cut. First quarter panel rough cut and out. Quick shot of the inside. Now at some point this car had been dustless blasted. Not a fan. That stuff will pack sand in everywhere. Wet sand. Yeah, really not a fan of dustless blasting. And a lot of times those guys who do that will not inform the customer that they have to put an additive so that it doesn't rust. If they don't put the additive when they are in the mix while they're media blasting that, yeah, it's big time issues. And you can kind of see the evidence of that. And the same here too. We're going to save this tail light panel and use it also for a template. And there it is. So we've got it mounted on a fixture, quarter panels, and tail light panel removed. Hey, Merry Christmas, Sandor. And as always, thanks for watching.